Hi there. I want to go over a really popular higher GCSE question that's worth 3 marks. It comes up all the time and you can get 3 marks really, really easily. Let's take a look at it. So this is our question. It's triple brackets, and we're going to say that triple brackets means doing 2 brackets twice. So how do we do this question? Well, we've got these 3 brackets here. And one thing that I see students do all the time is they just sort of try any old sort of combination that doesn't really make any sense. It doesn't work, okay? This is how you want to do this question. So pick any 2 brackets. I'm going to pick the positive ones because that's a little bit easier. And I make a grid. So I make my grid like this. X plus 5 is one of the numbers. The other number is, the other bit is x plus 1, the other bracket. And I do a quick grid like this. This is a really easy way to expand brackets reliably and get the right answer. So what we do is we multiply the parts to get the piece in the grid. So x times x, it's x squared. 5 times x is a positive 5x. 1 times x is a positive x. And 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so I've got to collect this together now, all of the bits inside here. So what do I get? I would get x squared. I've got a 5x, add another x, that's 6x. And I've got a 5. So we've expanded those brackets. So we've done brackets once, and we need to do these brackets twice. So we're going to take this bracket here, and we're going to multiply it by this one. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to do another grid again. I'm going to use this one more time. So x squared plus 6x plus 5. And now I'm going to use the other bracket, x minus 2. So here we go, something like this. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times 6x is a positive 6x squared. Minus 2 times x squared, that's minus 2x squared. Let's keep going. 5 times x is positive 5x. Minus 2 times 6x, that's minus 12x. And finally, 5 and minus 2, that's minus 10. Finally, I need to collect together. There's some more parts here that you can put together. So the final answer for 3 out of 3 marks is x cubed. 6 minus 2 of something, that's 4. 4x squared. 5 minus 12, so that's going to be minus 7x minus 10. And there you go. We've got 3 out of 3 reliably. We get 1 mark for doing this here. We get 1 mark for our method, and we get the other one for doing it nice and accurately. Pause the video for 10 seconds. Have a go. Try this one here. I'm hoping you've done it. So let's do this one now. So x plus 5, x plus 2. Pick those first. They're the easier ones, so you probably won't make any mistakes. So we go x plus 2, x plus 5. If you can do this another way and you get the answer, that's great. That's fine. I'm just doing it this way because I know I'm going to get the right answer every time. If I'm a bit stressed in the exam or I have problems with my algebra, this is going to help give me the right answer. So what you can do to save a little bit of time is you can write this one out now, and you can put it in a grid, and you know you're going to be doing this one. So you could just put it all in the grid straight away. So like this, x squared plus 7x plus 10. That's the answer for my first bit, this bit over here. Okay, what's left? X minus 1 is what's left. So let's do that. The more you do this, the quicker you'll get. You'll get really, really quick at doing this. And there's loads of questions you can do this way. So I'm going to just quickly work these ones out. Let's do the 10 and the x. 10x. Let's do minus 7x. Minus 10. Look, we're on 2 out of 3 marks already. So the final bit, we're going to collect it all together. And we're going to get, let's go for pink again. Let's go x cubed. 7 minus 1, that's 6x squared. 10 minus 7, that's 3x. That's minus 10. Okay, how quick was that? And you can do it as quickly as well. We're going to have a go at one final question where the numbers are slightly more difficult, just to show you that it works, and I'll leave the final question on the board for you to have a go at. So triple brackets means 2 brackets twice. So expanding brackets twice. So I'm going to pick these ones, the positive numbers, again, for the same reason. So here we go. 2x plus 1, x plus 4. I like to put the signs on the numbers when I do them. Whoops. I like to put the signs on the numbers when I do it, so that if it's a bit more difficult, you can make sure that your work is still nice and accurate. Okay, so 2x squared plus x plus 8x plus 4. So let's do that quicker way now, and let's add this all together, and let's put it in a grid straight away, where we're still going to multiply by the part that we haven't done yet. So we're going to speed up even more. Here we go. So 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. That was the bit that's already done. So then you've got to do the other bit, the bit that's not done. What's that? That's this x minus 3 bit. So x minus 3. Let's work this one out. So 2x cubed. Let's do the top row this time. Plus 9x squared plus 4x. Let's do this part here. 2 and a minus 3, that's minus 6x squared. That's minus 27x. That's minus 12. Do you see how putting the signs at the front there helps make sure they're correct? And the final answer, we're going to do 2x cubed. We're going to do 3x squared. We're going to do minus 23x minus 12. And look at that. We've got 3 out of 3. So that's your first sort of quick question that you can reliably do. It's called triple brackets. And our idea here is triple brackets means you're expanding the brackets, not once, but twice. Over to you.